Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are preparing for the UPSC Civil Services examination or State PSC examination, in this video I will talk about book details, syllabus coverage, chapter wise content, presentation styles, and finally whether you should buy this book or not. Book details. This book is published by Oswaal Books. The total number of pages in this book is 344 and the price of the book is 699. You can buy from waswalbooks.com, amazon.in, Flipkart, Amazon Kindle, Google Play Books, firstcry.com. Indian polity is one of the most important subjects for UPSC. Questions are asked every year in both prelims and mains. Chapter 1, Introduction to Political Science. Chapter 2, Development of Indian Constitutions. Chapter 3, Preamble. Chapter 4, Union and its territory. Chapter 5, Citizenship. Chapter 6, Fundamental Rights. Chapter 7, the Directive Principle of State Policy. Chapter 8, Fundamental Duties. Chapter 9, Legislature. Chapter 10, Judiciary. Chapter 11, de jure, nominal heads, the President and the Governor. De facto head office of PM, CM and Council of Ministers. Chapter 12. Chapter 13, Federalism. Chapter 14, Government at grassroots levels. Chapter 15, Electoral Dynamics. Chapter 16, Constitutional Bodies. Chapter 17, Non-Constitutional Bodies. And Chapter 18, Political since 2014 and latest Amendment Act, Electoral Bond, practice questions. The books start with UPSC CSC prelims questions 2025 and UPSC CSC prelims questions 2024, accompanied by well explained answer for better understanding. The content of this book is explained in a simple and easy languages, supported by mind maps and structured points which make learning and revision very convenient. Now let us begin chapter 1, Introduction to Political Science. In chapter 1, the book clearly explains the fundamental of political science, including the concept of political science, its meaning, nature, origin, and India's contribution to political science. It also covers key topics such as the concept of the state, concept of the government, the constitutions, how the constitution was formed, and important ideas like equality, liberty, and justice. All concepts are presented in detail, yet easy to understand points supported by diagrams and visual charts. Each chapter also ends with a practice question set, and the questions are provided with clear answer and explanation, which makes revision highly effective. Next, chapter 2, Development of Indian Constitutions. This chapter focuses on the development of the Indian Constitution and explains the historical foundation behind Indian's constitution framework in a very clear and systematic way. The chapter begins with the arrival of Europeans in India and explains how European powers gradually expanded their influence. In it, them discusses the expansion of the British Empire and the administrative and political changes that took place during British rule. The development under company's rule is explained in detail, including key legislations, regulating act, Pitt's India Act, Charter Acts, etc. Important historical milestones such as the formation of the interim government, the list of its members and their roles in the presented in a structural and easy to revise format. At the end of the chapter, chapter-wise MCQs are provided along with details, explanations of answer. Chapter 3, Preamble. This chapter describes about the preamble and its features with practice questions. Chapter 4, Union and its territory. This chapter, article 1 to 4 are explained clearly along with the relationship between the territory of India and the Union of India. Each article is explained article wise in simple and concise points. The process of integrations of Indian states is also presentation in easy and accessible manner, supported by diagrams and charts. Practice questions are included at the end of the chapter as well as another chapter. Chapter 7 focuses on DPSP. It also highlights the relationship between fundamental rights and directive principle of state policy. And the implementation of DPSP is discussed in details. And special focus is given to the connectivity between Indian philosophy and DPSP, showing how DPSP reflect India's ethical. And next chapter, legislature. The following chapter covers the legislature, explaining its structure, power, function, and role in India's democratic system in a clear and exam-focused manner. Throughout the book, every chapter is enriched with mind maps, tables, diagrams, and structural charts to make learning more visual and effective. Every chapter features clear and structured mind maps supported by the latest data, and each chapter ends with a dedicated practice set to help students test and strengthen their understanding. In the final section, the appendix covers all important parts of the Indian constitutions in a structured format. All 15 parts of the constitution are explained along with the most important articles under each part. The book also represents all 12 schedules of the Indian constitution in a clear and tabular form, making them easy to revise and remember. Additionally, every constitutional amendment from the first amendment act to the last amendment is explained in detail using mind map and visual chart for faster and more effective revision. Thank you for watching. Like, comment and share to support us.